We need to talk. I don't feel the same way about you anymore. I know it's tough for you. We've been together for so long. But you're gonna need to be strong, okay? I know you. I know your life. You can get through this. I love you. I loved you. I still do. We can be friends. We can be good friends. When we see each other on the street, we can shake hands. Maybe exchange some news about our life. I'll probably tell you about my new husband, Joe Biden. And our babies, our beautiful babies. Don't say those things. I know you don't mean them. You're being really accusatory right now, okay? Look, I'm sorry, okay? We can make this work. We'll get a dog. Dog will hear our love. I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore, baby. Oh, daughter, we can make this work, okay? It's not your fault that your mom is so ugly. Oh my God, where are you getting? My mother did not tell you those things. I did not tell anyone except my mother about my condition. And she must have told... I'm gonna get her for that one. I'm gonna get you. That was so... I'm so mad. Yeah, I meant that. I meant that so hard. No. Alright, I love you too. I love you too. What are you doing? Wearing love.
A microwave. A microwave.
We're getting married this spring.
Finally, we're alone. Glade, add some love to the air.